think it's important to attend conferences like this because it's important to know how other companies and vendors are feeling about trends and what some of their concerns are. It's a lot more difficult to understand how to tackle some of the very complicated problems in security without getting a different perspective.
If you look at it, there's ports. Everybody brings ports to this event. Some are depack and inspection, sort of like firewalls and switches, analyzers and different things. We also have our competitors here. So it's an awesome venue to get a look at the whole thing on how to do cybersecurity solutions for your critical infrastructures.
So the networking breaks during the ManuSec event have been fantastic. It's quality time we've got to spend with some of our customers and potential customers has been invaluable, all the way from folks that work on the plant floor to CISOs of large organizations. It's been fantastic.
Having just been to a different conference, I find this one I've been more informative and more engaged with it. I like the intimacy. I like that it's not really big right now.
It was an eye-opener for plant leadership to find out about the interaction between both sides. And that led to me finding out about this conference, and I was so excited that there were other people that were looking at this, and it's really been helpful for me to come here.
The conference and the presentations are great, but really those table conversations that we got to have over lunch and during the breaks have been invaluable.
I would definitely sponsor Catalyst events again, and I'd recommend it to others, except not competition.